Yeah, good evening, everyone. Good evening, Sheta. So we'll continue with the problem solving session. So I'll wait for another 30 seconds for people to join and then start the session. I hope you're solving questions after attending our sessions. So please at least solve for 1 hour each every day till your prelims so that you get accustomed to solving questions. So time your the solving sessions. I mean, for every 1 hour, try to solve around 20 to 30 questions and continue this for another 20 to 25 days till your prelims. So we'll start with the session. So take 3 minutes to solve the question. I'll just start the timer. So take 3 minutes to solve this. It's time. Please post your answers. There is one response for option B. Two people have got option B now. Others, if you are solving, please solve it quickly and post your answers. What about others who are solving this? Okay, now 3 people have got option B. So we'll see how to go about this question then. There are 6 persons arranged in a row. Another person has to shake hands with 3 of them, so that he should not shake hands with 2 consecutive persons. In how many distinct possible combinations can the handshakes take place? So there are 6 persons and then there is another person. So there are total 7 persons and 6 persons are sitting in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 persons are sitting in a row. Another person who is there, let the person be P, and he has to shake hands with 3 of them, 3 of the 6 people, so that he should not shake hands with 2 consecutive persons. In how many distinct possible combinations can the handshake take place? So these people are already sitting. Person 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they're already sitting in a row, and we have to find out combinations in which the third person, the 7th person can shake hands with these people. So one possibility is this one, and then they are saying that he should not shake hands with 2 consecutive persons, so he cannot shake hand with person 2. He will shake hand with person 3, and then he can shake hand with person 5. The other combination is 1, 3, and 6. This is one combination. The only restriction is that they should not be consecutive. There can be a gap of 2 people. So this is one combination. This is second combination. The third combination would be this person, 1, 4, and 6. So here also there are 2 persons, and there is one gap here. This is one combination, and then there is 2. You cannot once if this person shakes hands with 2, he cannot shake hand with 1 or 3. He should shake hand with 4 and then 6. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the only 4 combinations that is possible. Next, if he shakes hands with, shake hand with 3, we cannot shake hand with. If he shakes hand with 3, then there is only possibility we repeat the same thing. For example, if he shakes hand with 3, then he cannot shake hand with 4. He can shake hand with 5, or he can shake hand with 1. But this combination is same as this one, 1, 3, 5. So this will repeat. This is not the unique possibility. There is only 4 possibilities, and the answer is option B. I hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask. People who have got option D, Prajwal and Uday, Prajwal and Tam. If you have any doubts, please ask. If it's clear, please let me know. I'll move to the next question. Is it clear? No, they're not asking the order. They're asking combinations of handshakes. So 1, 3, 5 and 531 are same. They are just three people with whom the other person will shake hands. This is just a group. Tam, is this clear? And others, if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. Okay, then we'll move to the next question. Take 3 minutes to solve this question. It's time. Please post your answers. There is one response for option C. One person has got option C. Others, if you're solving, please solve it quickly and post your answers. Two people have got option C. What about others? Others who are solving, please make it quick, make it fast, and once you're done, please post your answers. Two have already posted their answers, and both of them have got option C. Prajwal, Tam, okay. There is one response, and the two responses for two people have got option B, one has got option D, and two have got options. One has got option C. We'll see how to go about this question. What they're asking is the digits 1 to 9 are arranged in 3 rows in such a way that each row contains 3 digits and the number formed in the second row is twice the number formed in the first row, and the number formed in the third row is thrice the number formed in the first row. Repetition of digits is not allowed. This is important. Repetition is not allowed. If only 3 of the 4 digits 2, 3, 7, 9 are allowed to use in the first row, how many such combinations are possible to be arranged in 3 rows? So they are saying that this 1 to 9 they are arranging in 3 rows like this, and they are saying that the number which is found here, I mean the number which is found in the second row, this is twice 2 into the number which is formed in the first row, and the third row would be 3 into the number formed in the first row, this one. And they're saying the numbers cannot be repeated, and and they are asking how many such combinations are possible in the 3 rows. And they are saying that in the first row only 2, 3, 7, 9 can be used. So this is the condition that only 3, 2, 3, 7, 9 digits can be used in this row, and this row is twice the number that is found in this row, and the third row is 3 times the number that is found in the first row, and no digit is repeated. Every digit is unique, and there are 9 digits here, and they are asking how many such combinations are possible. So the first thing that you have to know is, since they are telling that the first row, when you multiply it with 3, you would get the last, that is third row. So this number in the first row cannot be greater than, or cannot be greater than 333. This at least you should know, because if it is greater than 333, if you multiply by 3, it would cross 1000. It will be a 4-digit number. If it's any number greater than 333, and if you multiply it with 3, it will become a 4-digit number and not a 3-digit number. They are saying that all the 3 here are 3-digit numbers. They are 3-digit numbers. So this first row cannot be greater than 333. So so in the first row, the number cannot start with 7 or with 9. There is only 2 possibilities here. The number can start with 2 or 3. And even when the number starts with 3, the number cannot be greater than 333. So the number cannot be 379 or 397. It should be less than that. And then now we have to systematically check for each number. And there's no formula in this. You have to systematically check and always try to have an order, like going by the smallest to the largest. So the smallest number that can be formed using these 4 digits is 237. The smallest is smallest is 237 and the largest is 3, it should be less than 333. Largest is 327. 327. So we have to check the possibilities between these two numbers, 237 to 327, using these numbers, and we have to check whether whatever they are saying is fitting in this rule or not. So first we will consider 237. That's the smallest number here. 237. They're saying the second row would be formed when you multiply it with 2. Multiply it with 2, you would get 7 2s of 14. 3 2s are 6, 7. And 3 2 2s are 4. This number is not possible because 7 is repeating. And in the condition they have said that repetition of digits is not allowed. So 237 is not allowed. 237 cannot be the first row. And after 237, the other number is 239. 239. Again, I will just check with 2. And 2s are 18, 3 2s are 6, 7, 2 2s are 4. Are there any digits repeating? 2, 2, 8, 7, no digit is repeating. Then I will multiply it with 3. I'll multiply it with 3 here. And 3 is 27. So yes, 27 is repeating. 7 is repeating here. So 239 also is not possible. It's 237. So 239 is also not possible. So I'll just rub this combinations here. So 237 is not possible. 239 is not possible. After that, 237, 213, 237, 239, then you would get 279. 279. So we'll check 279 into 2, 9 2s are 18, 1, 7 2s are 14, 15, and 2 2s are 4, 5. So 279 is also not possible. 279 also is not possible because this 5 digits, the digit 5, sorry, digit 5 is repeating here. So 279, I'm sorry, I just jumped one more number. 279 is not possible. The another number can be 273. Should have taken 273 first and then 279. I'll just multiply it with this stuff. 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2, 7, 3, 5, 4, 6. There is no repetition. Into 3, 3 3s are 9. And 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 2, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. 2 7 3 5 4 6 8 1 9. Oh, there is no repetition here and everything fits. So the first number combination is 273 546 819. So here no number is repeating and the second row is double of the first row and the third row is 3 times the first row. So this is one combination. Now I'll just erase this. So 239, 273, sorry, so 273 is possible. I hope this is clear till now. If you have any doubts, you can ask here. Always, whenever you are solving questions, always organize yourself. Use a order. Let the questions be in order, and your solutions also should be in order. So, if you have any doubts, please ask. Till now, if there is any doubt. Is everything clear? If you have any doubts, feel free to ask. So we'll move to the next number. So 279 is done. After 279, 293 would be there. 293. Multiply it with 2. 3 2s are 6, 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 5. Then I have to multiply with 293,586. There is no repetition here. 3 3s are 9. Yes, 9 9 repeats. So 293 is not possible. After 293, then 297. 297 into 2. 7 2s are 14. 9 2s are 18, 19. So 9 9 repeats. Again, 297 is also not possible. So 293 is not possible. 297 is also not possible. And then the next number would start with, that's the highest number that is possible with these 4 digits. And the next number would be, it will start with 3. Now they are saying that it is twice. It should not. It should be equal to, not greater than. It should be equal to. The number found in the second row is twice the number found in the first row, and the number found in the third row is thrice. It's not greater than. It should be equal to those numbers. So we have done till 297. That's the last digit that is found with 2. Then we'll start with 3. The smallest number would be 327. 327. Yeah, 327. Just multiply it with 2. 2 7 2s are 14. 1 2 2s are 4 5. 3 2s are 6. Into 3 7 3s are 21. 2 3 2s are 6 plus 1 6 plus 2 8. 3 3s are 9. 3 2 7 6 5 4 9 8 1. Okay, there is no repetition here, and the number satisfies. So one more is 3 2 7 6 5 4 and 9 8 1. So 327 is allowed, and this number satisfies the condition. And then the next number would be 327 is done. 329. 329. So I have to check only till 333. This is 333. 329 can be the number. It should be less than 333. 329 into 2, 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 3s are 6, 3 2 9 6 5 8, into 3 9 3s are 27, 2, 9 2s are 3 2s are 6 and 8. So 8 8 repeats here. This is not allowed. So 329 is not there. The next number is 3 2. Okay, there is no repetition. So 3 2 7 is done. 3 2 9 is done. Next would be 372. 372 is greater than 333. So this number cannot, I mean, even if you multiply, for example, if you multiply by 3, the number, the third row number would be a 4-digit number. For example, 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14, and 3 3s are 9, 10. This is 1046, but it should be 3-digit number here. So this number, it cannot be possible. So the number should be less than 333. So this is the numbers that are less than 333 using these 4 digits. So only 2 cases is possible, 273 and 327. So the answer is option C. I hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask. And this is an classic example of how UPSC is trying to make people think and not allow people to use formulas. You cannot use any formulas for this. I hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. Don't hesitate. I mean, this is your platform. You can ask your doubts. Is everything clear? If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. Clear? I'll move to the next question then if everything is clear. Okay. I'll move to the next question. So take 3 minutes to solve this question. And please post your answers. So 3 people have got option C, 1 has got option D. So we'll see how to go about this question. Others, please post your answers if you're solving. Lohit and okay. So most, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4 people have got option C and 1 has got option D. We'll see how to go about this question here. They are saying that in a tournament of chess having 150 entrants, a player is eliminated whenever he loses a match. It is given that no match results in tie or a draw. There is no tie or a draw. How many matches are played in the entire tournament? So there are 150 people, and they are saying that these people play matches, and whoever loses gets eliminated, and the remaining players will then play the match. So 150. So when there are 150, what they'll do is 75 and 75 players will play. There will be 75 matches and 75 on each side, and the remaining left would be 75. Now in this 75, these are odd numbers. So what we'll do is we'll keep one person in this round. We'll play the next round directly. There will be 74 now. This one comes here, the 74 here. This will become 37 and 37. And 37 will play. The 37 would be left out. And now in the second round, one guy was not, one guy didn't play here. So we will add this one here. It will be 38 persons. Now 38 people, 19 and 19 will play matches. 19 would be left out. 19 would be remaining. 19 would lose. This is winning and this is losing. These are also the number of matches that is happening. 19 will be there. So I'll leave out one guy for the next round. So 18 would play here. And 18, 9 and 9 would play. So 9 would remain. So this 1 would be added here. 1 plus 9, so 10 would be there. So 5 and 5 will play. So again 5 would be there. I'll leave again one guy for the next match, next round. So here 4 would be there. So 2 and 2. And 2 person would be left out. So again there are 3 people here. So I'll send him to the next round. This will be 1 and 1. This 2 will add 1 will play each other. So 1 would be left. 1 plus 1. 2 would be there. So 1 and 1. Last one guy would be the winner. So these are the number of matches that have happened. That is 75 plus 37 plus 19 plus 9 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 9, 27, 27 plus 7, 34, 34 plus 5, 39. 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 1, 14. 149. The correct answer is option C. I hope this is clear. Shweta, you have got option D. If you have any doubts, please ask. Others who have not got the answer can ask your doubt. I hope this is clear. Because that person cannot play matches with anybody. Here the thing is, that if there are odd numbers, if 2 people are playing, then there should be even number of players. If there are odd numbers, then one has to be kept for the next round. He cannot play. So only when there are even number of players, you can divide those players and then make those players play against each other. For example, if there are three people, all the three people cannot play the matches. I mean, if there are only two, when in a chess tournament, only two people can play against each other in a match, chess match. One on the one side, the other on the other side of the chessboard. So only two people can play this. The third person has to wait. He'll play the winner of uh, this match. I hope time this is clear. Okay. Is there any other doubt? I mean, anyone else has any doubt? If you have any doubts, please ask. If it's clear, please let me know. I'll move to the next question. Okay, I'll move to the next question then. So take 3 minutes to solve this. I'll just start the timer. It's time. Please post your answers. There is one response for option B. One has got option B. Others, please post your answers. Two people have got option B. Others, now three have got option B. Others, please post your answers. Shweta, Lohit, Deepti. If you are still solving or if you are stuck, please let me know. We will see how to go about this question. And this question is not so difficult. I don't know why people are having a tough time. So how many 3-digit natural numbers are there such that each digit is odd and the number is divisible by 5? 3 digits are there. Each digit should be odd number and the number should be divisible by 5. The only case where the number is divisible by 5 is 5 or 0. The units place should be 5 or 0. But in this case, they are saying that the digit is odd. All the digits, each digit is odd. So only 5 can come here. And there is no repetition, third repetition. So the other numbers that are left is 1, 3, 5 cannot come. 3, 5, 7 and 9. So these are the 4 numbers. So 4 numbers can come here, 4 odd numbers. And once one number is used here, the other number is 3. Don't multiply this. It's just the number here. 4 into 3, total numbers, 3-digit natural numbers with each digit odd and the number is divisible by 5 is 4 into 3, 12. These are the only 4 numbers which we can use for this place. And then once the number is used, only 3 numbers will be left for this hundreds, tens place. The answer is option B. I hope this is clear. Shweta and Lohit, if you have any doubts, please ask. And others also, if you have any doubts, please ask. But 50 or it is 5? Deepti. Others, if you have any doubts, please ask. Don't hesitate. Is it clear, Lohit? Okay. Others, if you have any doubts, please ask, or else I'll move to the next question. Shweta, is this clear? Why 12, not 16? I think you had multiplied 4 into 4. You had considered with repetition. I hope this is clear, Shweta. Please let me know. I'll move to the next question. Shweta, if you have any doubts, please post it in the chat section. In the meanwhile, I'll move to the next question. So please take 3 minutes to solve this question. I'll start the timer. See, they're saying odd numbers, but each digit is also odd number. Each digit is also odd number. That's why we had taken as 4. Here, each digit also in this place, this, all the numbers, all the digits should be odd numbers. 1, 3, 5 cannot be here, 7, 9. So that these are 4 numbers, 4 digits. That's why I taken 4. And then once I use 1 digit here, the remaining number of digits left is 3. That's why 4 into 3. I hope this is clear, Dipti. I'll just solve the question here. It's time. Please post your answers. There are 2 people who have got, 3 who have got option A. Sorry, 2 only. And 1 has got option C. Others, please post your answers. Shweta, I hope the issue is clear now, the network issue. 1 has got option A. So, three people have got option A, one has got option C. We'll see how to go about this question. They're saying that the letters A, B, C, D, E are arranged in such a way that there are exactly two letters between A and E. How many such arrangements are possible? A and E, there are exactly two letters, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is one more here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Letters are there. And this is the combination, and exactly two letters are in between A and D. And there are 5. So if I take this as a set, and if I take this as 1 unit here and this as here, this is 3 letters can come here, 2 letters can come here, and 1 letter can come here. So this is 6 ways. And then if E is kept here, then A is kept here. And if this is on the right hand side, this is again 3 and 2, and there are 6 possibilities. And now there is one alphabet that can come here. And now if I keep it here, the alphabet is here, one alphabet is here, and then A, E, and then E, and then A. Again, this is 3 into 2 into 1, 3 into 2 into 1. This is 6, this is 6, 6 and 6 ways. Total is 6 plus 6, 12 plus 6, 18 plus 6 is 24. The correct answer is option C, 24. I hope this is clear. If you have any doubt, please ask. You have got 12, that is option A. Is this clear? Why option A is not correct? Option B, option C is correct, 24. Because of this, this is one arrangement and this is one arrangement. These are two different arrangements. These are two different arrangements. I hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask. Or else, if things are clear, please let me know. I'll move to the next question. Okay, I'll move to the next question then. So take 3 minutes to solve this question. It's time. One, two, three. Three people have got option C. Two people have got option D. And there's one doubt why we replace them. I mean, Deepti, can you please be very specific? I'm not understanding what replacing what. I mean, what have I replaced here? If you can be more specific, I'll be able to help you. Please let me know what is that you are referring. So in the meanwhile, please do mention it. I'll once I explain the problem here, I'll come back to this problem. So they are saying in this question that A, B, C are three places such that there are three different routes from A to B. A to B, there are three routes, 1, 2, 3, and 4 different routes from B to C. 1, 2, 3, and 4. B to C, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3 different routes from A to C. So A to C, there are 3 different routes. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. In how many different ways can one travel from A to C? A to C using these routes. From the route from A to B to C, you can take 1, 2, 3 into the 4, 3 into 4, 12 ways. From A to C, from A to B to C. So if a person has to go from A to C via B, he has 12 routes. 3 routes here, any one he can take, and then the 4 routes. So he can take 1 and then take 1 here, or you can take 1 and then 4, 2 here, 1 and 3, 1 and 4. Then 2 and 1, 2 and 2, 2 and 3, 2 and 4. So 3 into 4, 12 ways. And then there are other 3 ways direct ways from A to C, 1, 2, 3. So we have 12 ways to go to city B, and then 3 ways to directly go to option C. So 12 plus 3 is 15. So it's not 12 into 3. The correct answer is option C. I hope this is clear. People who have multiplied 12 into 3, it's not 12 into 3 because the number of routes should be added here, because this is 3 into 4 only because this way, this is 1, and then I can take, after I go from A to B, I can take 4 routes. So 1, so this is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Similarly 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 2, 4. Again 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. This is 4, 3 are 12 ways. And then directly this one, A to C one route, A to C second route, and A to C third route. So there is 3 routes. We have to add this. I hope this is clear. Shweta and who's got Lohit? Let's get the yes, Prajwal, that is possible. But if that is there, the number would be more than 36. This is 3 plus 3 into 3, 9. So if that was there, if that was the case, like if he goes from A to B and then comes back and then takes C, then the number would be more than 36. I hope this is clear. The previous question, different sets. Okay, I'm taking here, they're saying that the gap should be 2. The alphabet should be 2. Between A and E, there should be 2 alphabets. I have given the space here. And I have taken this set here as a 1 unit, so that I can clearly differentiate what is the units here. If I take this as a unit, in between there are 2 spaces, and then this is the last space. And then if I interchange the position here, this, if it comes in the first, it will come in the first. So this is 6 times 6 ways in which you can arrange it in this way, and 6 ways in which E comes first and A comes here. And here this last alphabet comes here. So again, this is 6 and this is 6. The total is 24. I hope this is clear, Deepthi. If you have any doubts, please ask. And others, if you have any doubts in this question, you can ask. And normally in these type of questions, they don't ask you for that. I mean, the chance that he's coming back would not be there. There is no retracing back on the same path. Mostly it is one-way path. If it's retracing, then there will be a problem. The number of cases would increase. If there is no more doubts, we'll move to the next question. Is everything clear? Okay, we'll move to the next question then. Take 3 minutes to solve the problem. It's time. Please post your answers. In option, they give 4-digit. Okay. Please post your answers. Others who are solving it or who has already solved it. LKR, I'm not understanding what you want to say or asking. I'll go through the solution. If you have any doubts after that, you can ask Lohit. Please wait till then. I think things will be clear after that. Others, please post your answers. No one has posted it yet. Others, Panthers, Deepthi, Shweta, Vital. Please post the answers if you have done. Okay. There are 2 responses. Don't worry, I'll just explain that. One for option A, one person has got option A, one person has got option D. Others, please post if you are solving it. If you have already solved it. We'll see how to go about this question. They're saying ABC represents the distinct non-zero digits. Suppose X is the sum of all the possible 3-digit numbers formed by ABC without repetition. Consider the following statements. 1. The 4-digit least value of X is 1332. The 3-digit greatest value of X is 888. Which of the above statements are correct? These are all correct. They are saying that A, B, C are single digits, are non-zero digits. They cannot be 0. A, B, C cannot be 0. Don't forget this. Suppose X is the sum of all the possible 3-digit numbers formed by ABC. For example, this all possible digits would be ACB, EAC, ECA, CCAB, and CBA. These are the 6 possible ways, 6 possible digits, and they are saying if you add all this, this would be X. This would be X. And they are saying that the 4-digit least value of X is 1332. So if they are adding all the possible values of this number, for example, I'm just taking an example here. Let's take 2, 3, 5. And they are saying that X is the sum of the possibility of every 3-digit number. So 235, 253, then 352, 325, 523, 532. So these are all the possible digits, and if you add, that is X. That is what they're asking. And they are saying that this is 3-digit number, and then the statements are the 4-digit least value of X is. The least value of X would be when A, B, C would be the least value. A, B, C are different digits. They are distinct digits, and none of them is 0. The least numbers would be A can be 1, B can be 2, C can be 3. This is the least that can happen. because I could have taken 111, but all the three are different digits. They are distinct non-digits, non-zero digits. So the least is 1, 2, 3. And here, if I want to calculate sum, one way to calculate is to write down like this. Write down like this. The other way is I know that A occurs at the 100 digits twice, B occurs at 100 digits twice, and C also occurs at 100 digits twice. The same here in tens and units place. Each digit is occurring twice. B is twice, A is twice, C is twice, 2 times. Here also C is twice, B is twice, and A is twice, 2 times it's coming. So I can write X as X is equal to A plus B plus C into 100 into 2. Since they're occurring twice at the 100th place, plus 2 into A plus B plus C into 10 plus 2 into A plus B plus C. I hope this is clear. Why X is equal to 2 into A plus B plus C into 100 plus 2 into A plus B plus C into 10 plus 2 into A plus B plus C. If there is any doubt, please ask. Deepti and Tam, is this clear? Till now, whatever I've explained. Is this clear till now? Please let me know if it is clear. I'll move to the next part. Tam and Deepti. Okay, I'll just repeat it once again. So the question says that A, B, C are distinct non-zero digits. So A, B, C cannot be 0, and A, B, C are some numbers from 1 to 9. This is what they have given. Suppose X is the sum of all possible 3-digit numbers formed using A, B, C without repetition. So if I have written here, so A, B, C are digits. The numbers can be A, B, C, A, C, B, B, A, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, C, B, A. These are the numbers that can be formed. For example, this is for example that I have taken. If A is 2, B is 3, C is 5, these are all the possible 3-digit numbers that can be formed using 235 without repetition. So 235, 253, 352, 325, 523, 532. These are 6 digits, 6 numbers formed using 235. And then they are saying if you add this, that number is X. X is the sum of all possible 3-digit numbers formed by A, B, C without repetition. These are all the 3-digit numbers. And if you take the sum, that is X. And I have calculated the sum using this, because A is repeating twice here in this, and B is occurring twice, C is occurring twice. At the 100th place, there would be A plus B plus C into 2 into 100, and A plus B plus C into 2. In 10th place also, there are A, B, C is occurring twice into 2 into 10. And 2 into a plus b plus c. I hope this thing is clear. For example, if I take a, b, c plus a, c, b, I can write a, b, c as 100a plus 10b plus c, and a, c, b as 100a plus 10c plus b, and if I add this will be a plus a into 100 plus b plus c into 10 plus c plus b, and this is what I've written here, like c plus b plus c plus a plus b, all 10 in units in tens place. So 2 times it's coming, 2 plus a, 2a plus 2b plus 2c. I hope this is clear, Tam. If you have any doubts till now, please ask. Even others can ask if you have any doubts. Okay, so now we'll move to the next stage. So their first statement is the 4-digit least value of x is 1332, and the 3-digit greatest value of x is 888. So to make this the least numbers, a, b, c should be the least. So since a, b, c cannot be 0, and b and c cannot be equal to 1, because they are all distinct non-zero digits. So if a is 1, b has to be 2, c has to be 3. This is the least numbers that a, b, c can take. So if I take that, here the sum would be 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 into 100 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 3. This is 2 into 9 plus 2, 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 into 100 plus 2 into 6, 2 into 6 plus into 10 plus 2 into 6. This is equal to 1200. This is 12 into 120 plus 12. So 1200 plus 120 is 1320 plus 12 is 1320 plus 12 is 332. So 1332. This is the least 4-digit sum that can happen. Least 4-digit value of x is 1332. So this is correct. The 4-digit least value is correct. And they are saying the next statement is the 3-digit greatest value of x. So the x, this is the minimum value of x. X cannot be less than 1332 because we have taken the least numbers here. X cannot be less than 1332. So x cannot be a 3-digit number. So this is wrong. The correct answer is option A, 1 only. Because the least number of x is 1332. Because I cannot take less smaller number than this. Because all the digits are distinct and they are positive and they are not equal to 0. And they are distinct. So the least value of x is 1332 and x should be greater than 1332. So x cannot be a 3-digit number. So option 2 is wrong. So the correct answer is option A only is correct. I hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask. Okay. If you have any doubts, please ask, or else we'll end the session here and we'll meet again tomorrow at 8 o'clock. you have any questions, please ask. Are there any questions, any doubts regarding the questions that we have solved today? Please let me know if there are any questions. So I think there will be 2 more days of this topic left, and after that I think we'll start something else, something in GS. We are still thinking about what to do. I am not master, Rohit. I'm still learning. I mean, one cannot be a master in maths. There are still a lot of things that I have to learn. I'm just learning. And the current level that I've reached is because of solving questions. That's all. There is no secret here. I mean, my brain is just like yours. I mean, my brain is not as fast as yours. It would be the same speed. The only thing is I've practiced a lot of questions. And I've spent a lot of time with each question. I have not just directly jumped to the question, to the answer, and I've just spent time with the problem, and have ensured that my brain works. And that's what yesterday even I have written. Okay, we'll try to do that. Comprehension. Actually, I don't know how to take comprehension classes. It's like comprehension is about understanding questions, and it's about reading. So one thing that I would want people to do is whenever you are reading newspaper or something, if you don't understand the basic words, the meanings of it, just note down it. Note down the words that you come across daily. Note down the words and its meaning. And its meaning. And less 2 to 3 examples of how that word is used. How that word is used. Slowly, if you do this, your comprehension would increase. Comprehension is nothing but you have to understand the meaning of the words. The problem is you have to understand the meaning of the words. And if you understand the meaning clearly, you would understand the passage also clearly. So, okay, we'll conduct one session of passage in reading comprehension. We'll try to do that. And I'll just cover the basics. So, Tam, this would be the last topic. We'll not be doing the logical reasoning part and the reading comprehension. We actually thought of doing only math section of this, not the logical reasoning section and the verbal section. So we would be doing GS part after this, the paper 1. After we complete the probability, permutation and combination part. We would not be going into the reading comprehension and the verbal part and the logical reasoning part. I thought I can add more value to your GS preparation. So we thought I will take only the maths part. Because if I take logical reasoning and the verbal part, it will take more time and I'll not be able to cover. I'll not be able to do justice in the time which we have left. So we'll cover one session on reading comprehension and critical reasoning. I mean, just the basics. I cannot take the questions in this. I'll just cover the basics. This how to go about the question. I mean, the reading comprehension part. But there is no trick regarding this reading comprehension or critical reasoning. You have to understand the passage. That's the only way you can answer the question. And for that to happen, if you are weak in that, please solve more questions. Solve it daily. Read the passage. See, if you can understand Hindi, you can read Hindi passages. For words which you don't understand, you can just refer in the Hindi section. If you don't understand Hindi, then you cannot use any. I mean, you cannot take advantage of the Hindi part. If you know Hindi, you can read the Hindi section for the meanings. So it's already 9:35. We'll end the session here. I think we should end the session here. People are maybe hungry. So please have your dinner. We'll meet tomorrow at 8 o'clock, and we'll also have a general discussion session on this Sunday regarding the preparation. And 2 more sessions will be left after this. I mean, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. And in the 2 sessions, we'll be covering the probability permutation combination section. So I think we'll end the session here. Thanks for coming. And I hope these sessions are useful. We'll meet tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Thank you and have a good night.